Check out the bed assist rail from AOHHL. In this video, I'm going to try to get this thing assembled and then installed on your bed so you know exactly what to expect when you proctorize. Usually what you get really isn't that much to it, and you don't need any tools to get put together. It all pops into place. How you do that is very, very easy. Personally, I like to lay it out on my bed so I kind of visualize it. But all you got to do is start with this U-shaped bottom, and now we're going to connect the middle pieces. And like I said, just pins that pop into place. Just want to put those on there just like that, and I'll show you what it looks like once I get it on here. And there you go. This part is now complete. So now what we have to do is put these handles on there, and they're going to sit like this, and then they're going to put the top of the handle on there, so it's all going to go together. So same thing as before, just slide the pins into place just like that. We need one more here and switch around. So there we go. Yep, and now we're almost complete. Just the final step, which is putting the top of the handle on here. At this point, too, you could probably measure your bed. So there's going to be a bunch of different holes that go on here. So whatever fits your bed best is going to be the way that you do it. But we'll slide it into place here. One on, and now the second. And there we go. Make sure this is hooked into place. And just like that, this thing is assembled. It takes a minute to do, very, very easy. Like I showed you, no tools involved. So I'm going to put the camera down, and I'll try to get it installed onto your bed. So now that we got it assembled, we can get it installed on the bed, and that's honestly the easiest part. All you got to do is find the part of the bed that you want to put it on, lift up your mattress, and slide it under. And they do give you a strap. Personally, I never use a strap. Works without it. But all you got to do is put it in there, rub it on the end, and we are good to go. I'm about 200 pounds. For all my weight on it, this is not going anywhere. Just like that, this thing is installed and ready to use. Whenever you want to take it off, pull it out too. So this thing is an awesome tool if you struggle getting in and out of bed, or maybe a loved one does. So this will make that a whole lot easier for it. So great buy. I give it 2 thumbs up.